Midnight echoes through my room, neon rain and fading blue. Your perfume still lives somehow in the silence of this house. Coffee cold beside the glass, watching strangers rushing past. Every heartbeat feels so slow since the day you let me go. And I still leave the door unlocked, like you might come home again. But hope is just a ghost tonight, whispering your name. I'm dancing with loneliness, holding shadows to my chest, talking to the memories like they never left. These empty lights still shine for you in a city without truth. And every night I lose myself trying to find you. Loneliness sounds like your voice in every quiet noise. Your side of the bed stays cold, like winter never lost its hold. I replay our final scene, wondering what it meant to leave. People say that time can heal, but time just taught me how to feel. Every crack inside my soul, every place you used to hold. Now the moonlight hits the floor like the pieces of my heart. And loving you was beautiful, but breaking wasn't art.